She's trying to push me off. Oh, that's not very nice, is it? Oh.
What'd you say? Please.
Right, Lottie.
Now, maybe Mikey should go outside.
Right, Lottie, sit here. Lottie, you sit down here. Come on, sit down. You sit down, I go hide.
Are you having a paddy waddy?
Okay, Mikey, hide
You
now.
read the map.
She does that. She hyperextends her knee and she leans back.
Lottie, you hide under the table.
Watch your head.
We're ready.
Ready!
We're ready.
She won't stay there.
Quick, Mike, we're ready. Michael, come on. You got to find Lottie. He's hiding as well.
Lottie gone.
We don't know where she is.
Lottie.
We
Lottie.
don't know where she is.
Where's Lottie gone? Lottie. What are you doing under there?
Come this way.
Tunnel.
Through the tunnel. That's it.
Yay.
You're not very good at this hide and seek game,
Hiding.
Lottie.
That's right.
Yeah, good. Concentrate on that now.
How long do you have at Easter, Mike? 2 weeks?
2 weeks.
What happened to that job at Felsted? Did you go for it?
Didn't even get shortlisted.
Oh, you applied for it, did you?
Yeah, it's half-heartedly applied for it. I should have rewritten my CV a bit
The thing
better.
is, those things, they get done internally usually, don't they?
Yeah.
Those kind of jobs, they don't come up very often.
Mommy's tea.
We're both looking at a flat the other day. Just, you know, that pond is up that road. Some of those are key worker scheme flats.
Thaden Grove.
No, just down at Epping High Street the other end.
Oh, no, Hemnall Street.
Yeah.
Oh, you mean the actual new estate?
Yeah, there's some nice flats going for